Introducing the 2024 SEAT TARRACO 2.0TDI 150B horsepower 7-seater XP automatic with a sleek white exterior and a powerful 2-liter engine size. This low-mileage beauty, with only 39,831 kilometers on the clock, is packed with comfort, safety, and style features. From ambient lighting to collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has everything you need for a smooth and secure ride. The interior boasts luxury trim, USB 12V power outlets, and third-row seats for extra passengers. Meanwhile, the exterior features privacy glass, roof rails, and tow bar preparation for added convenience. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us today or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in style and security with the SEAT TARRACO.